Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a nighttime cleaning routine. I'm going to be cleaning up after dinner, and I wanted to bring you all along with me. I hope this gives you some motivation to clean with me. If not, just sit back, watch, and enjoy the music. Now let's get started. So I had gone shopping earlier for our household items that we had run out of, and I restocked our laundry supplies. So I'm going to go ahead and get that stuff put away first.
Every night, every day, promise will never change. Are you gonna love me?
If you are visiting my channel for the first time, welcome. My name is Tiffany. I would love it if you left a comment down below and just said hi and introduce yourself. And I do hope you consider subscribing to my channel. I create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. So if that's something you enjoy, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and click that bell and join my YouTube family.
Time took a toll on us, I'll say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for you to change. Oh, time, we got older, babe, yeah. But I wanna stay with you, and don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise will never change. Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Hey, hey, every night, every day, promise will never change. So are you gonna love me? Love me with my frozen dawn. Will we be enough, baby? Promise me we'll never fall. Promise now you gonna.
So now I'm going to clear off the table and get all the food put away so that I can get started on the dishes.
Tell me what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind. I know I just met you, but something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm one of a kind. There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get.
On this particular night, I had cleaned the refrigerator out earlier, so I had a few more dishes to wash than I normally would.
Everybody smoking, boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind. You go on about your charm, tell me things like I can't hate to walk in dogs. I go on about my ex who broke my heart. Baby, we're two of a kind. There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you and me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So something that just rocks my world. I get up, I feel like we are meant to be. The way you're talking to me, oh, oh. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want. Come on, spit it all out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's mind. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Oh.
Until we get kicked out. Until we get kicked out.
So while I was out, I bought some of the 50-cent plastic plates and cups and bowls from Walmart, and I just wanted to get them washed before we use them.
You made a big mistake thinking I would wait. You never took the time and now it's too late. I hate to feel ignored. I need someone to care for me forever, to make me feel secure when we're together. I wanna feel adored. So now I'm gonna end this thing now. And don't you make it harder than it is. Just stop. Don't ask if we can go back. You know that it's too late. I promise not to someone else. Don't even try to go.
So now I'm going to shake my rugs out before I go ahead and get my sink clean and wipe my counters down.
Don't ask if we can go back. You know that it's too late. I promise not to someone else. Don't even try to go there. Don't even try to go there. Yeah, it was a big mistake thinking I would wait. You never took the time and now it's too late. I hate to feel ignored. So now I'm gonna end this thing now. And don't you make it harder than it is. Just stop. Don't ask if we can go back. You know that it's too late. I promise not to someone else. Don't even try to go there. Just leave it till it's late. You'll have to find it somewhere else. Don't ask if we can go back. You know that it's too late. I promise not to someone else. Don't even try to go there. Don't even try to go there. Don't ask if we can go there. Don't even try to go there. Don't ask if we can go back. You know that it's too late. I promise love to someone else. Don't even try to go there. Just leave it to its fate. You'll have to find it somewhere else. Don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah.
So to clean my countertops and my stove, I'm using the Home and Planet multi-purpose spray in the Bulgarian Rose scent, and then I'm going to go back over them with the Behold furniture polish just to give it that extra shine.
I'm gonna try. Work till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry,
Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs.
So the last thing I'm going to do is sweep so that I can mop. But you'll see here in a little bit that I won't be using my actual mop and bucket. I picked up the O-Cedar Promist Max Microfiber Spray Mop, and that's what I'll be using to clean my floors tonight.
But you make it so hard. Watching you dance so
And now I'm going to add some Ajax, bleach, and hot water to the mop.
give me far hard. Trying to take a deep breath.
I got that liquid Ajax Multipurpose Cleaner from Dollar Tree, and it smells so good. It's in the lime and baking soda scent, and I knew I should have gotten more than one bottle because when I went back to get it, they didn't have it anymore. They had the orange scented one, but I'm not overly fond of that one like I am the lime scented one.
That I got myself into. I can help my own frustration. 'Cause I think, yeah, I think I like it. I think I like it. Got nothing.
So to clean the microfiber mop pads, all you have to do is just throw them in the washer, or if you don't want to do that, you can just purchase the refill pads, and they come in packs of 3 or 5.
It's making me crazy, yeah. You're moving just like you own the room. Make it look easy. I wanna take you away to somewhere we can be by ourselves. I see you looking my way, so maybe it's not all in my head. It's a funny situation that I got myself into. I can help my own frustration. 'Cause I think, yeah, I think I like it. I think I like it. Got nothing to lose. 'Cause I think I like it. Tell me if you like me too.
all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, I won't come back. I have dreams about us, I just want it to stop. Because I miss you so much, I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. There is no us no more. No, I'm grasping at straws, trying to save myself. Don't wanna be here alone. No, no. A place we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, don't come back. And I need to do
Okay, we've come to the end of this video. I hope this gave you some cleaning motivation, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.
I just want it to stop. Because I miss you so much, I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop.